All right, get that head. Go get it. Scooby's in charge of packing around here, or unpacking. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Get my way. Give your butt. What do you got there? Hurry up, get that sucker. Hurry up, get it, it's getting away. What's that? Hurry up, get it, bite it. Go get it. What do you got there?
Look what the dog brought in.
Yeah, he'll get that. He'll get that head out there. My knife is dull. He's got sharp teeth. Look at Stevie. Oh, look at that. Did that bite back? Did that bite you? Yeah, what's that? Yeah, no, I don't want that piece. Ew. Hey, we'll go back to those. What do you got there? What do you got there? Hurry up, get it. What do you got there? Oh, you all done? Oh, there you go. There's a rat in there. Yeah, you don't like that big rat. I'll get that one over there, though. Yeah. Stay away from those shirts over there, though. He doesn't grab the shirts. He only grabs the bubble wrap. Making a mess under there is what he's doing. The only problem is he doesn't clean up his mess when he's done.
He just goes to them.
Yeah, he just makes a mess.
Yeah.
Come on, Scooby. What are you doing? Yeah, you. What do you got? Hurry up. There's more of it right there. Get it.
He doesn't eat it.
What's this? What's that? Yeah, that's it. Get that head out of the way. Who left that nasty head there? Yeah, look at that piece of crap. Some people buy anything on eBay. What do you got there? Yeah, he's gonna get that. Look at that. Oh, you missed that one. I already got that one. You missed that one. Yeah. What do you got? What? Is that all you got? Is that it? Oh.
So you got it all, Scoobs.
Oh, jeez. He's running out. Oh, he found a couple more. If it doesn't go pop, he's not happy. What do you got? You tired?
Wore it out.
Are you tired? Did you get everything? Did Scooby get everything? He don't have light in his eyes. What do you got? Scooby's a tired mutt. Yeah, Scooby's getting tired now. Here, he had enough fun for one day.
I'm gonna ride now.
There you go, Scooby.
I'll give you a call in a few days.